Okay, guys, so under polynomial division, now if you're told to divide 2x squared plus x minus 3 by x minus 1, so now this right here is what we call the dividend, and this over here is what we call the divisor. And we achieve this by carrying out long division. So this is how we go about it. So you have 2x squared plus x minus 3. And then you have x minus 1. So we first of all start by dividing this by the first term here, i.e. you take 2x squared and you divide by x. So what does that give? That will give us 2x. So that's what we will have here. So we will have 2x. Over here. So 2x, if you multiply with this, you get 2x squared. If you multiply with this term, you have minus 2x. Then subtracting this 2, this gives 2x squared minus 2x squared, you'll get a 0. X minus 2x, that will give us plus 3x minus 3. Okay, so take 3x, divide by this term here, x, we will have 3. So we have plus 3 here. Multiplying with this, we have 3x minus 3, and subtracting, we have 0, 0. So our answer of dividing 2x squared plus x minus 3 by x minus 1, the answer is 2x plus 3. Okay, let's take up another example. Example number 2. So you're told to divide x squared plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. So we still go on carrying out long division. So we will have x squared plus 3x minus 2 divide by x minus 2. So to find the first term here, we will take x squared, you divide by x, and that will give us x. Use this x to multiply the whole of this. So we have x squared minus 2x. Subtracting this 2, what do we have there? So x squared minus x squared will give us a 0. Will give us a 0, and 3x minus 2x will give plus 5x minus 2. So to get the term, the next term here, we take this 5x, divide by x, that will give us 5. So we have plus 5, and use that 5 to multiply these terms here. So that will have 5x minus 5 times 2, that will give us 10. So subtracting those, we have 5x minus 5x will give us a 0. And then 3x cubed. Okay, so will give us a 0, and 5 minus 2 minus, that will be plus. 10 minus 2 will give us plus 8. And clearly see, this is what we are remaining with over this. So our answer here will be x plus 5 plus, what's the remainder? The remainder is 8 over x minus 2. And that will be our answer. Let's take up another example. So let's say we have 3x cubed, 3x cubed plus x squared plus 3x plus 5 divide by x plus 1. Okay, so using long division, we'll have 3x cubed plus x squared plus 3x plus 5. Supposed to divide that by x plus 1. So we take 3x cubed, we divide by x, so that will give us 3x squared. Use this term to multiply this. So this and this will give us 3x cubed. This and this will give us plus 3x squared. Subtracting those two terms, we have 0. X squared minus, we'll have minus 2x squared. So plus 3x plus 5. Okay, so taking the first term here, using it to multiply. So minus 2x squared, you use it to divide by x. So dividing by x, we'll have minus 2x. So taking minus 2x multiplying here, we'll have minus 2x squared minus 2x multiplying here, we'll have minus 2x. Subtracting those two terms, this and this will give us a 0. 3x minus minus will give plus 5x plus 5. Using this term here to divide x, so 5x divided by x will give us 5. So we have plus 5. Then multiply with the whole of this term. That will give us plus 5x plus 5. So we have 5x plus 5. Subtracting these two. Subtracting those two, we will have 0, 0. So the remainder is 0. So dividing this by this gives us our answer as 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. So basically, that's how we go about polynomial division. Let's take up a final example. So let's say we have 4a cubed minus 6a squared b plus 5b cubed. Divide this by 2a minus b. So using long division, this is how we go about it. So we will have 4a cubed minus 6a squared b plus 5b cubed. All this divided by 2a minus b. So taking 4a cubed dividing by this first term, which is 2a. So 2a will go here, 2a squared times. Taking this 2a squared multiplying by the whole of this term, so we'll have 4a cubed multiplying 2a squared by b, we'll have minus 2a squared b. Subtracting that will give us 0 over here. And then minus 6a squared b minus minus, that will be plus. So eventually we'll have minus 4a squared b. Then this 5b cubed minus 0. So that will be plus 5b cubed. Okay. So looking at this term here, taking it and dividing it by 2a. So 2a, that will be minus 2. Then we have a, and then we have b. So using this to multiply this term here, we'll have minus 4a squared b. Using it to multiply the second term there, minus minus will give us plus. So that will be plus 2ab squared, 2ab squared. Subtracting this, we'll have, so clearly minus 4a squared b minus minus, that will give 0. Now, as you can see here, this term here, it does not have a term here. So I can have plus 0ab squared up here. So 0 minus 2ab, so that will be minus 2ab squared. And then we have plus 5b cubed minus 0. So 5b cubed. Okay. So taking this term over here, dividing by 2a, so we'll remain with minus b squared minus b squared. Using minus b squared to multiply the whole of this will give us minus 2ab squared minus will give us plus b cubed. Subtracting those two terms, this and this will give us 0. 5b cubed minus b cubed will give us 4b cubed. Okay, so clearly writing our answer now, as we can see here, if we are to take this and divide by 2a, so we don't have 2a here. So our answer will be 2a squared minus 2ab minus b squared plus the remainder, which is 4b cubed over 2a minus b. So that's how we go about this.